just arrived. 2 easy wheels and a suspension block. I always want to have one of those. I hope it fits. I'll try to put it on. I hope it does fit because it's beautiful. Look at it. It's so neat. I love it. I hope it does fit. Let's try it on. Hello. Today's video is about my upgrades. I got several upgrades, my dear Brompton, and they're all worth it. I love them. First, my seat. This is the regular seat, the Brompton seat. It comes with the Brompton, see? Have the Brompton logo. It's a very good one. Has this here so you can carry your Brompton. But I really like the Brooks. It's so cool. And it's funny because, see, it sounds hard, but it's soft. It's very soft. It's all made of rubber. You don't have to hydrate like the other Brooks. And you don't have, that's all right. If it rains, no problem at all. This one in particular is the B17 Carve, the wide one for girls. I really like it. It stays like the whole day long and you don't feel anything. It's very good. Well, that's one thing. Another thing I've done is put this here. It's an extender. See, it makes wider. So when you fold your Brompton, it's easier to carry it. Okay, let me show you what is this for. This extension here, what is good for. First, when you fold it, it helps to carry around because it gets wider and easier to carry around. When you carry like this, you know, see? Why? Because this is one part and all this weight, there's nothing to hold it. So with the station, look what happens. Everything is right on it. The bike is perfect. Very easy to carry around. I put this easy wheels, but now they're making some noise. Not good. So I ordered some new ones. So we're gonna put on. Nice ones. I love it. Another thing I changed was this here. This is a firm. It comes with a regular one, and that's a firm. But now, look what I arrived. I'm gonna use this one. I hope it fits. Another thing I've done, that's the regular one. This one comes with 50 feet. I changed for the 44 feet. What does is help me to go uphill and to carry a lot of luggage. Because when we're traveling, when you do bike touring, you carry at least 15 kilos more than yourself, you know. So you need a lower gear to help you go uphill or even to ride along. What else did I do? Oh, I put this here. It's very nice. It's aluminium. I didn't put titanium, but more expensive and the weight is the same. And let me see. Oh, that's one thing. Come here. Let me show you. I changed the handlebar. The handles. You can ride like this. You can ride like this. So it's more comfortable. This is a really good thing to do. It makes a big difference. Sure it does. I put one bell, an extra bell. Oh, I'm sorry. There's the regular one. That's my belt. What happened is that depending where you are, sometimes people, they're not paying attention. So sometimes you're riding and just the sound of the gear, they notice and get it, you know, leave it away for you to pass. But sometimes they're talking or they're listening to headphones or I don't know, then you need a higher bell. And sometimes you have to yell, hey, please get out. Then I say thank you. There's one more upgrade. I put this block here. It's a very nice one. Look. It's neat, isn't it? Very light. And I had some problems in the beginning of the trip for Germany. But the guy changed this screw here. Put in different ones, it's different. One different than the other. And so strong now, it doesn't move. It's perfect. It's very good. I think that's it. So let's try to put the new upgrades on. Hope it does work. Yes. This is the regular way you put your Brompton standing up. But you can put a kickstand. And voila. It's good. Sometimes you want to put it standing up, but for a quick second, you know, or just take a picture. So today, let's try to put the other ones. The two easy wheels and the block. Look. That's why I'm changing it. So much noise. Okay, let's try to put them on. Start with the wheels. First wheel. Let's see if this one fits here or in the front one. If it fits here, I'll have to order a new one. Put them back. Titanium. Yes, it does fit. So no noise. Yes. No noise. That's pretty one. I'm so happy. No noise. I have these wheels for over 2 years. And I think they ran out. But what I do is keep them as a back part, repair. Because when you travel, sometimes I put it in an IKEA bag. I always put something to help, not protect here, but you know, keep the end, break, I don't know. Better safe than sorry. Well, I'm gonna order some new ones. But in the meantime, I'm gonna put my old ones here. So I'm gonna still have the noise, but it'll be a little bit higher because the original, that's the original one, the wheel. It's smaller, see? Look, it'll be like half finger higher from the ground. Now, this guy here. Oops, I'll get it. So we're changing this firm, say firm, for this one. Yes, new suspension block. New easy wheels, and as you notice, this here getting some rust, so I ordered a new seat post, but didn't arrive yet. As soon as it arrives, I'll show you. Oh, have a nice ride, enjoy it, enjoy your Brompton, And if you want to see some other videos, I have a lot of videos about tips of the Bromptons and traveling, so enjoy it. Bye bye. Okay, suspension lock on, EasyWheel on, and we are riding to see if it works. That's perfect. Show you in the one of the rides that I think is marvelous is this one. I know that if you've seen my videos, my mask is going up. If you see my videos, you'll see this place a lot of times. But I love this place. It's so beautiful. I don't know. I love the water. Maybe because you're so near the water. Oh, anyway, if you like the videos, sign up. Oh, and that's a tip. Do you know the little bell that's beside the subscribe button? Click on it so you know every time that I have a new video. Because I don't have a schedule. I just do it when I have time, you know. Sometimes it takes a while to edit. Sometimes it's fast, you know. So, and if you did like it, give the thumbs up. I don't know, it helps the channel. And at least I know I'm going the right way. I really like to do those videos. I really like to pass on what I learn, because we learn a lot of things with a lot of friends and sometimes with the enemies. So it's good to pass on, it's good to change ideas. I got a lot of tips from the subscribers, from you guys. Oh, enjoy it. Be free, ride a bike. Be even freer, ride a Brompton.